Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will be show you how to make this cyberpunk or technological animated background inside of Adobe After Effects. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So guys, once you opened up After Effects, create a new composition. After that, you can give a name to your composition. So I'm gonna call my composition as Cyberpunk BG. After that, just copy down these settings and you can click OK. And now what you guys wanna do is right click on your timeline, click on new and create a solid. And then you can rename this solid as BG and click OK. And after that, go to your Effects and Presets tab. And guys, if you did not see the Effects and Presets tab, go to Window and you can enable Effects and Presets. So go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for the fractal noise. So just drag and drop that fractal noise effect onto your background layer, and then go to your Effects control panel and change the fractal type to turbulent smooth, and change the noise type to block, and change the contrast to 160, and change the brightness to -120. And after that, expand the transform tab and uncheck uninformed scale, and then just change the scale width to 740 and change the scale height to 7. And now you will get these like straight lines in your background. And after that, what you guys want to do is come here to the beginning of your timeline and add keyframes for the offset turbulence under transform tab, and then go to the end of your animation and bring the exposition to your right side. And now once you play this back, you will get this nice and smooth animation going on in your background. And now what you guys want to do is click on the evolution stopwatch icon while holding Alt key on your keyboard, and it will open a box like this in your timeline. And after that, in this box, type as time, After Effects and 100, and then just click out of that box. And now your animation should look like this. And yeah guys, and now what you guys wanna do is again go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for the curves. Drag and drop the curves effect onto your background layer, and come here to the Effects and Control panel and change the channel to red, and bring the red something around here, and change the channel to green, and also change the greens something around that place, and change the channel to blue and change it like that. And now you will get like a orange color technical like a background. So yeah, and now what you guys want to do is again go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for the optics compensation. Also drag and drop that effect on your background layer. After that, come here to the Effects control panel and go ahead and change the field of view to 82. And after that, check the revert lens distort. And now you'll get like a curved background. So yeah, and now what you guys want to do is right click on your timeline, click on new and create a adjustment layer. After that, again go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for the glow effect. Also drag and drop the glow effect onto your adjustment layer, and then go to the Effects control panel and do not change any settings in the glow effect. Just duplicate that glow effect by clicking Ctrl+D on your keyboard, and then come here to the glow 2 and change the glow threshold to 18 and change the glow radius to 120. After that, duplicate that glow effect by clicking Ctrl+D and change the glow threshold again back to 60 and change the glow radius to 230. And after that, again duplicate your glow by clicking Ctrl+D on your keyboard, and do not change any settings, just leave the same settings. And now your cyberpunk background should be done. So now you can play the animation, and your animation should look like this. So yeah, it will take time to render your animation. After the rendering is complete, your animation should look like this. So yeah guys, that's how you can create the cyberpunk background like a technical background inside of Adobe After Effects. And yeah guys, that's it the video. And if you make this far in the video, be sure to like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.